Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of latest video. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about what is Python, why learn Python, where use Python, setup and installation process of Python, and also I will give you an example that how to write and run Python program. So let's start here. Your first question is what is Python? Python is a general-purpose high-level programming language. It was created by Guido Marussam during 1985 to 1991 at CWI in Netherlands. The term Python is a general purpose. General purpose means the use of Python not in single domain but currently used in many technical areas. For example, gaming development, data science, machine learning, desktop application, software development, web application development, and many technical areas where Python is used. So you can say that Python is a general purpose programming language. And the second term is high level. High level means the Python code is very simple. You can easily read and write it in English language. So you can say that this is high level programming language. It was created by Guido Verhusen during 1985 to 1991 at CWI in Netherlands. CWI means Centrum Wiskunde Informatica, which is National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science, where Guido van Rossum created Python. So this is what is Python and who created it. Here second question is why learn Python? So here first point, simple and easy to learn. Python code, syntax and structure are very simple. Any developer's student can easily read and write it. That is very clear. And the next point is platform independent. Python can easily run on any platform like Windows, Mac or Linux operating system. And the next point is expressive language. Expressive means you can say that a single line of code in Python having more things than multiple line of code in other languages. That is very expressive. And the next point is interpreted language. Python have by default interpreter, so you can not require to interpret or compile before the execution of program. The Python can automatically interpret during the execution of program. And next is dynamic. Dynamic means Python is dynamically typed language. For example, in C language, you write, suppose that int a equal to 20, means the value of a is integer type. But in Python, here is no required to write int because Python is dynamically typed language. Here is no need to define the type of data. Python can automatically read the value of a as a integer type. If you can write here 20.5, then Python can automatically read as a float value. Here is no need to define its type like int, float or string. So this is the dynamic typed language. And the next point is here free and open source. Free means you can use Python as a free and here is no need to take any license to use Python. And open source. Open source means the code of Python and thousand of library is available on internet as a free. And next point is object oriented. Means you can also use the concept of object and class in Python. And the next point is extensible. Means the code of Python can convert in other languages like C and C++ also. So you can say that it is extensible. And the next one is embeddable. Embeddable means other language can easily convert in Python language, so you can say it embeddable. And the next point is portable. Means the code of Python can easily run from one machine to another machine, here is no need to require change in code. And the next point is GUI programming support means Python is also support graphical user interface programming. And the next last point is wide range of library and frameworks. Means Python have rich library and a thousand of libraries and frameworks on internet by which you can easily complete any task in very short time. So this is this library and frameworks. And the next point here, where use Python. Python is a general purpose popular programming language. Today's, if you can search in Google top three programming languages, then you can see there Python is number one position. And it is used in almost every technical areas like data science, data mining, desktop application, web application, software development, enterprise application, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, and many other technical areas where Python are used. And the next point here, setup and installation process. In the setup and installation process, you can require to install. First one is Python and the second one is VS Code where you can write and run your program. So let's start to download. First one is Python. Open browser, right here Python download. So here you can see download Python and click. So Python official site open here and click on this link download Python. Here Python is downloading. You can wait for some time. Python is downloading here. Okay, Python is downloaded here. Now open this folder and click to run it. And in this window and the bottom at the bottom check this add to path, then install now. Yes, your Python is installing. Until the Python is installing, you can also download here VS Code. VS Code. Search in Google VS Code. You will click here Visual Studio Code and the download for window, and here Python installing. Okay, here Python is successfully installed and now close it. And also you will see here your VS Code is downloading here. When your VS Code is downloaded, then you can easily install it like Python. Click on VS Code and accept the agreement. Check this next, 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 and check create a desktop icon. Install. So VS Code is installing here. And click on finish. So here VS Code and Python both are installed successfully, and now close all windows, open here. Now you will need to create a folder anywhere in any directory. Suppose that here I will create a folder by name Komal and close it and click on VS Code to open and go top on the file, open folder, select Komal, open here. So here Komal folder open and now you will need to create a new Python file in Kamal folder. Click here, create, suppose that hello.py and hello.py is the Python file and now here we print something message in Python like hello world and now run it. So here message hello world is display. So this is the simple program in Python. Similarly, you can write many others program here. Okay. Thanks for watching guys and please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest video. Bye bye.